Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to explain chapter number 1 and chapter name is A New Baby. So student, this is the revision of this chapter. First of all, we will read this chapter. Now come on, first stanza. Welcome home. We have a new baby. She has come home with Mama and Papa. We are happy to have her in our family. Now come on, second stanza. Her name is Tina. She is so tiny. She sleeps a lot. Now come on, third stanza. I sit on the bed. Papa puts Tina in my lap. I love my little sister. Students, come on, next page. This is the fourth stanza. When I clap, Tina moves her tiny hands. When I give her a toy, she moves her small legs. Now come on, fifth stanza. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. Now come on, last stanza. I am her Didi. I think she loves me. I love you too, Tina. So student, here the name of the chapter is A New Baby and this poem is written by Vinita Khanna. So student, let's have a quick overview on the objective of the poem. The name of the poem is A New Baby and the poem is written by Vinita Khanna. The whole poem is around the newborn baby girl. In this poem, the girl welcomes her newborn sister in her family, and the poet explains the activity and movement of newborn baby girl and how to react with her elder sister. So student, now come on the first stanza. I am going to explain the first stanza. Stanza first is, we have a new baby. She has come home with Mama and Papa. We are happy to have her in our family. So student, in first stanza, the poet explained the feeling of a girl for her newborn sister because the newborn sister come home with her Mama and Papa and the girl is very happy to have a new member in her family. So student, now come on, next, that is second stanza. Her name is Tina. She is so tiny. She sleeps a lot. So student, in second stanza, the poet introduced her name and activity. In the second stanza, the poet introduced the name and activity of a little girl whose name is Tina. The name of the newborn baby girl is Tina and she is so small and she sleeps a lot. Now come on, third stanza. I sit on the bed. Papa puts Tina in my lap. I love my little sister. So student, in third stanza, the poet explained the excitement of a girl because she is very excited to have her little sister in her lap. So her father put in her lap. She loves her sister so much. Now come on, next page and come on fourth stanza. When I clap, Tina moves her tiny hands. When I give her a toy, She moves her small leg. Student, now I am going to explain this stanza. In fourth stanza, the poet explained the movement of little girl because when her elder sister claps, then she moves her tiny hands, her small hands, and when she give a toy, then she moves her small legs. She moves her tiny legs. Now come on, sixth stanza. This is the sixth stanza. First of all, we will read this stanza. When I call Tina, she looks at me. When I touch her soft cheek, she smiles. Student, in fifth stanza, the poet explains the response of a girl, of a little girl, of a little girl, because when her sister called her name Tina, then she looked at her, and when her sister touched her soft cheek, then she smiles. In this stanza, the poet explained the response of a little girl whose name is Tina. Now come on, next stanza, and this is the last stanza. I am her Didi. I think she loves me. I love you too, Tina. So, student, now I am going to explain this stanza. In sixth stanza, the poet explained the relation and feeling of a girl for her little sister. Because in this stanza, girl introduced herself with her little sister that she is Didi of newborn baby, girl, little sister, and the girl think her little sister loves her, and the girl loves her little sister too much. Student, I hope you all understand about the explanation and reading of the chapter number 1. That whose name is chapter number 1. Chapter name is A New Baby. The whole poem is around the newborn baby girl, and in this poem the girl welcome her newborn baby sister. So student, I hope you all understand, and you have to read. You have to read and learn about the story. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.